Bis, beth i bis? Bis. My bis Marianne. Right, so those of you who've been singing have actually been using the perfect tense. My bis Marianne wedi brifo. So wedi brifo, it has been injured. It has been injured. My bis Marianne wedi brifo. It has been injured. So it's the has there. Sophie?
Sophie.
And. Bis finger. Finger. So my bis Marianne, if you go to rugby matches, is that right? My bis Marianne wedi brifo a Dafydd gwas servant ddim yn iach, not well. Mae'r baban yn cryd yn crio. The baby in the cradle is crying. So that's the present tense, that's the perfect. So my bis Marianne wedi brifo, so it has been injured previously. So previously to the song being sung, Marianne's finger has been injured. Okay? Dafydd y gwas ddim yn iach, mae'r baban yn y cryd yn crio. So the baby is currently crying. Gath,
what's the cat in a cryd?
Babian in the cryd, the baby in the cradle.
In the cradle, all right.
Babi in the cryd. Gath wedi scramo.
The cat scrammed Johnny Bach.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Wedi scrammo.
So little Johnny. So it's a disaster. It's a disaster song. Sosban Fach yn berwi ar y tân, Sosban Fawr yn berwi ar y llawr, Gath wedi scrammo Johnny Bach. Ond, felly, faint ohonoch chi sy'n gwybod y gan? How do you know this song? Llaw lan os ydych chi'n gwybod y gan.
I just say the sounds I do, but
I mean, my bis Marianne wedi brifo a Dafydd y gwas ddim yn iach. Mae'r baban yn y cryd yn crio a'r gath wedi scrammo Johnny Bach. Nawr, beth sy'n dod nesaf?
Sosban Fawr yn berwi ar y tân, Sosban Fawr yn berwi ar y llawr, a'r gath wedi scrammo Johnny Bach.
Sosban Fach yn berwi ar y tân. So a small saucepan boiling on the fire. Sosban Fawr.
Oh, yeah.
And jerseys.
Spent about
Is it new
30
jersey?
quid.
I was going to buy that for this week. I couldn't find
Yn berwi
Yeah, they're going to be working on it.
And they're going to wear red socks.
ar y llawr.
They're going to wear red socks.
On the floor, ar y llawr. Ar gath wedi. So the cat has scrammed. Ar gath wedi scrammo Johnny Bach. I orffen heddiw, let's integrate the present tense and the perfect tense. Okay, so the present tense, the only object of this song is to integrate the grammar. No other reason whatsoever. Felly, not to enjoy this song. So, right, and you're not supposed to enjoy this song anyway because it's a disaster. Felly, my bis Mary and ond, in case my pobl sy'n gwylio, they don't really know the words, you have to let them know. So it's like my bis Marianne, bis, your finger. So pawb without bis. My bis Marianne wedi brifo a Dafydd y gwas ddim yn iach. He's not well. Mae'r baban yn y cryd yn crio a gath wedi scrammo Johnny Bach. Had a scratch little Johnny. Sosban Fach yn berwi ar y tân, Sosban Fawr yn berwi ar y llawr, a'r gath wedi scrammo Johnny Bach.